How to cook perfect eggs every time. Cooking perfect eggs depends on the type of eggs you prefer and the method you use. Here are some tips for cooking different types of eggs. Scrambled eggs. Use a non-stick pan. This prevents the eggs from sticking and makes cleanup easier. Low heat. Cook scrambled eggs over low to medium-low heat to ensure they cook evenly without becoming dry or tough. Don't overcook. Remove scrambled eggs from the heat while they still look slightly underdone, as they will continue to cook from residual heat. Add dairy or water. Incorporating a splash of milk, cream, or water into the beaten eggs can make them creamy and tender. Season before cooking. Beat the eggs with salt and pepper before cooking for even seasoning throughout. Fried eggs. Use a non-stick skillet. This makes flipping the eggs easier and prevents them from sticking. Preheat the skillet. Ensure the skillet is hot before adding the eggs to create a crispy bottom. Butter or oil. Add a small amount of butter or oil to the skillet before cracking the eggs to prevent sticking. Cook to desired doneness. For sunny side up eggs, cook until the whites are set and the yolks are still runny. For over easy or over hard eggs, flip them gently to cook the yolk to your preference. Season after cooking. Sprinkle salt and pepper on the eggs after they're cooked to prevent the salt from drawing out moisture during cooking. Boiled eggs. Use older eggs. Older eggs are easier to peel after boiling. Start with cold water. Place the eggs in a saucepan and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a boil, then immediately remove the pan from the heat. Timing. For soft-boiled eggs with a runny yolk, cook for 4 to 6 minutes. For medium-boiled eggs with a slightly runny yolk, cook for 7 to 9 minutes. For hard-boiled eggs with a fully set yolk, cook for 10 to 12 minutes. Shock in ice water. After boiling, transfer the eggs to a bowl of ice water to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Peel under running water. Peel the eggs under cold running water to help remove the shells more easily. By following these tips, you can achieve perfectly cooked eggs every time, whether scrambled, fried, or boiled.